Hey gamers! Building a killer $800 gaming PC? Let's dive in. Start with the AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, 6 cores of power. Pair it with the GTX 1660 Super for great 1080p gaming. Motherboard? Go for the Gigabyte B550MDS3H. Add 16GB of Corsair Vengeance DDR4 RAM for smooth multitasking. Fast storage with a 500GB NVMe SSD, and power it all with a reliable 600W80 Plus bronze PSU. Pack it all into a sleek NZXT H510 case. Keep it cool with the stock cooler. No need for extras here. How does it perform? Expect high FPS in games like Fortnite and Apex Legends. That's your $800 gaming PC build. Like and subscribe for more builds and reviews.